Going to have a look at some of the 5 resistors to change that could be affecting your organization. Resourcing is one, where there's a lack of support from leadership, not enough hands on deck, relationships where there's maybe ego or some biases. There's also insecurity, because when things are changing and you're learning new skills, you don't want to appear incompetent. Resistant mindset, so lack of growth mindset. Some people do believe, look, if it's not broken, why fix it, or why try something new? And in some cases, that's absolutely correct. There's no point in having change for the sake of change. It's important to understand that, yes, there's a reason behind it and it's worth it. We have relaying. So poor communication from the business is often one that I hear as a change manager constantly. And it becomes important to understand what type of messaging do you want to send in different forms of communication. What I mean by that is, let's say it's a town hall with everybody from the organization. There might be one type of message for those. Then it's a small team gathering of 8 people, and we might have different messaging created for those. So we need to really make it relevant and keep people's attention and make it very clear why we're communicating, why we're going through the change. And reasoning, heavy workload was a complaint that many people shared earlier. And I think leaders really need to look at resourcing, because to meet the workloads and understand and be realistic about what this change will require in terms of extra resources, that needs to be taken into account, so realistic expectations can be set and people don't feel so burnt out and overloaded.